Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today, welcome to my online class. This is Motiur Rahman Razu, Assistant Teacher of Kaspur Umar Ali High School, Sonargaon, Narangganj. Today, my online class is on transformation of sentence. Today's class is for the student of class 9 and 10. Dear students, you know that COVID-19 has made the pandemic situation across the whole world, and it had made the negative impact for the studies of the students. That is why we are going to heal the loss of your studies. Anyways, I am going to the whiteboard. Dear students, today's our class on transformation of sentence. Follow this sentence. Here is a sentence. He is a clever boy. I answer this sentence. He is not a clever boy. Dear students, what happened here? Dear student, happened here both sides, formation and meaning changed. Formation and meaning change, it is called the conversion of sentence. So, another sentence, he is a clever boy. Negative, he is not a fool boy. Dear student, what happened here? Here changed only formation but not changed the meaning. It is called the transformation of sentence. Dear students, another sentence, I write the whiteboard and you follow this sentence. Man is mortal. Negative. Dear students, look at the sentence. Man is mortal. We know that this sentence is universal truth. And this is the transformation of sentence. Answer, man is not immortal. Dear student, what happened here? Mortal, this is the immortal, it is opposite word. You know that some opposite words your grammar books. Dear student, another sentence, we must die. Dear student, another sentence, look at the whiteboard, we must die. It is universal truth, and this is the sentence is universal. Answer, we cannot but die. We cannot but die. Must change, cannot but. Dear student, we follow the three sentences. He is a dishonest man. He is a dishonest man. Make it negative. Answer this sentence. He is not a honest man. And he is not an honest man. Dear student, dishonest, opposite honest. Follow this sentence, some rules of your grammar books. Dear student, follow. Only Allah can help us. Negative. Dear student, you look at only changed your grammar book. This is the some rules. The page number 126, and open your book, and so answer none but Allah can help us. Dear student, understand it. This sentence affirmative into negative. Another sentence, Abraham Lincoln was a wise man. Dear students, look at the another sentence. Abraham Lincoln was a wise man. When you make it the affirmative to negative, you write Abraham Lincoln was not a fool man. Wise, opposite word here, full. Dear student, open your book and some opposite words you memory this. Next, you must follow the way of truth. Dear student, follow. You must follow the way of truth. I am already your class. Always speak. Always if the truth speaks, do not tell a lie. So, your whiteboard, one sentence you must follow the way of truth. You must affirmative into negative. You must you cannot but follow the way of truth. Must change the rules of cannot but. Dear students, I hope that you are well in the home, and I advise you do not go outside because the COVID has 19 around the world, and I hope that you stay your home and every day wash your hands and every day study your homework. Next, write your some sentence of your homework. Dear student, please note your khata, homework, only God can help us. Make it negative. Dear student, we must help the poor. We must respect our teacher. He or Hassan is a good boy. Only Allah can help me. Dear student, thank you all. Yes,